guys, it's Mallory from Classy Clutter. Today we're going to show you how to decorate with engineer prints. We'll start by uploading them to a website and we'll show you how to print them and how to decorate with them. So first you're going to go to staples.com and go to their copy and print section. Go ahead and click on upload your file in the top left section of their website. Then you're going to scroll down a little bit and click on blueprints and oversized prints. Then you select black and white or color blueprints. I use black and white for this one. Click on buy now and then it will open up like this uploading software on their website. Then you're going to add your file, upload file, find it on your computer wherever you have it saved. I usually save it to my desktop and then just delete it later. Depending on your file size, it may take a couple seconds or a minute or so to upload. So let it do its thing, run its upload, and then you're going to press done. After it uploads, you should see your file under files right there, and then you're going to go ahead and give it a job name right below. Select your quantity. I usually just need one. I selected black and white here. Then on media, you choose your size, push OK, and then choose your orientation, either landscape or portrait, whatever one you want. Now mine wasn't fitting correctly, so I went back to media and clicked on fit content to paper, and then it made it the right size. Right here, I just double check all my print options and then press add to cart. This part is pretty self-explanatory. Once you add it to your cart, you can go ahead and proceed to checkout, enter all your information, and go ahead and check out if you're done. Now, I'm also going to show you how to order a poster print. It's a little bit different, so you can go ahead and go to their website and click on custom posters. For posters, I do it only when the print that I want is highly saturated. If there's a ton of ink, Staples won't print it as an engineer print, so you have to do a poster. So for this one, I wanted a portrait size in 24 by 36. These are about 30 bucks each, but the paper is way better and it's a heavier quality paper, and the print also looks a little more clear. So go ahead and get started. This part is basically the same as uploading for a blueprint, but they use a little bit different software on their website. Once your image pops up, just make sure anything important is not getting cropped off. So I scaled mine to fit and then just zoomed in to make sure everything was how I like it. Then click apply, and at that point you can go ahead and check out. Check the box that says you've reviewed it, make sure everything fits properly, click continue, and then on this part you'll do your pickup information and which material you like. I use standard heavyweight because I don't want it to be glossy. That's pretty much the only setting that I add on this part, and then you can go ahead and continue with your pickup information, add it to your cart, and check out as you usually would when pretty much buying anything online. Once you get them home, it's time to frame them, and you can kind of see in this video that the one that has a white background with the quote is a lot thinner paper than the one with the patented dental pictures. That's a lot heavier weight paper, as you can see here. It kind of is thicker. It's kind of hard to show in a video, but you can kind of tell right here that's thinner, and the black background is thicker paper, and that's why it's more expensive on Staples' website. So next, after I check everything, and then I go ahead and frame it using poster frames. Sometimes I spray paint the frames so I can get something a little more unique. I have a couple of gold ones, but this one I wanted wood because I did it for my husband's office. And I usually get my frames at the store that's called At Home, and they're not local to everywhere, but Michael's actually has awesome print poster frames too. And I usually use a coupon for those, and that's pretty much it. They look awesome. They're a great way to fill wall space on a large scale, and they're pretty inexpensive for how great they look. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel and check out our blog for more tutorials. See you guys next time.